guys, how are you all doing? Today's video is about the World Chess Tag Championship. The organization was responsible for creating a standardized competitive playing arena and set of rules formats which has allowed chess tag athletes from around the world to train and compete in international tournaments. The most recent of these was WCT3 held in September 2018 in London, featuring teams from Japan, Germany, France, USA and the UK.
That's in my mind.
Oh my god!
Do you see all the hair?
Oh!
No.
Just let
That's
hair
a
down. Oh, okay.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
The events have gained enormous interest from around the globe via social media platform, and World Chess Tag has supported the evolution and experimentations being developed via Parker gyms and clubs in each region to grow the game. In 2019, WCT is able to work with international partners to license the staging of official WCT events in countries and regions around the globe. The goal over the next 12 months is for these regional events to act as qualifiers which earn the winning teams automatic entry into the WCT international events.
So Euro squad goes through and Lotus are out. And that was an amazing match. Congrats, guys. Euro squad goes through to the next round.
2-1 to Euro squad.
It combines Parker, obstacles and the childhood game of tag, also known as it. A chaser has 20 seconds to tag an evader as they rest round an obstacle course. World Chess Tag was founded by brothers Christian and Damien Deviaux. In this competition, a game is between one chaser and one evader. The aim is for the chaser to tag the evader using the hand. The chase lasts 20 seconds with the winner staying on as the evader and a player from the other team comes on as the chaser. The chase is lost if either competitor steps out of bound, and the evader wins if they avoid getting tagged. In the team format, Each team has a maximum of 6 athletes. The match is divided into sets, with each set consisting of a predetermined number of chases, usually 10 to 16. They have featured on numerous TV networks including ESPN, BBC, NBC, Fuji TV, NHK, and Fox Sports, and their events have been contested by the biggest names in parkour, free running, and Ninja Warrior. The WCT custom built 12M into 12M quad is an integral part of the sport and has been co-designed and tested by some of the best parkour athletes and Ninja Warrior competitors. Over the past 4 years, during the 8 events and countless research and test sessions, it has evolved into the perfect arena to create some of the most exciting, compelling, and original sporting content. Their standardized and copyrighted rules and formats are used by WCT affiliate organizations in countries around the world, including France, India, Japan, China, Korea, Australia, Canada, the US, and Colombia.